How to easily fix Windows cannot find your programs or games in order to uninstall. Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how you can do it. So first thing first, you have to come below at the search bar of your PC. You type in Control Panel. So simply, you will see Control Panel under System. Open it. And likewise, here you have to locate Programs and Features. Double click onto it and let's go ahead and maximize the screen. Here, click on Anywhere and type in the name of the application. Type in L, and if it's League of Legends, right click onto it and here you will see Uninstall. Click onto Uninstall, it will give you this error. You have to click on Yes, and you would like to confirm removing League of Legends from your features list. Just like so guys, this is how easy it is. You can go ahead and do the same for your other applications as well. Thank you all for watching the video till the very end. We will catch you up in our next upload.